me to a church, man just walk me back and give me two. But yeah, when man say when he give me. The man say me no fi cookie give no man no.
That thing say?
That thing tell me when he give me them.
What time Dalvin now? You see, anytime Dalvin eat them there, anyway man live shag up in here.
What I say? You wanna give me a chocho?
Yeah, me have a
So if she get chocho, what you that eat? You eat it?
I mean?
So what you give him for?
Why?
So what you give me for?
Eh? What you give him for? What you give him?
That was chocho edition.
Father in heaven, we give thanks for life, we give thanks for health, we give thanks for strength.
No, may I give you sharp vibes?
Thank you, Jaffa.
Rasta. You know the name.
Dude.
Yeah.
Why?
Greetings, my viewers, my subscribers watching from near and far. Yeah, man. So this morning is bleaky, but it is indeed a beautiful day. And today, I'm telling you what I go on today. Alright, so today I'll be linking up with Martel Adventure TV. Yeah, man. So me supposed to get for see Rasta today. Cause remember say hold on, I can fix this thing. Yeah. I head over to Stone Hill. I'm gonna be linking up with Martel Adventure TV. You know, the whole family. I got it there today. Yeah, cause Rasta fi did it. You know, cause I have a charge against Rasta. Cause he missing in action. When he come over here and thing. But anyways, I'll stay tuned for good vibes. Remember, it's all about some positive energy, you know. Good vibes. Just get ready for just laugh, you know what I mean? And just have a good vibes with me. Stay tuned, remember, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed.
You want us to anything, Natasha?
Camera. I love camera.
You love camera. Come back here, Celeste. Where you see a while ago?
It's not challenging me a blaze on my bus, sister.
How are you, boss?
The cold bag.
Oh,
Remember
say a cold bag, yeah.
Remember say beer
So hold
rain and
on,
fall.
me keep asking what you do with cold, brother.
No use some, remember say beer rain and fall, so it's
Beer rain and fall, brother. Cold can roast breadfruit.
Where she come from?
Yo, me not the of cold, me want to see fire in the breadfruit. We don't want,
No, here I go, I walk it. No.
Yo.
You know how the weather stay now. That's it.
Which weather, man?
If you stick and
Yo,
dry,
no.
we use them.
Oh, I dropped this together, man.
That's it.
Yeah, I did cold, man.
So we don't have our second option.
Fall, man.
So you just rain, how much rain fall yesterday?
Yeah, man. Give me thanks for one of our subscribers them out here.
Yeah, which is right.
That is it, man. Stay tuned. Fully outside right now. Me not gonna say something, but me not bother. See, you mean this thing is terrible. But look like some poil. And I none of the funny. So we are going like one river or one yard? Oh. Think one river we are go?
Yeah, in Africa.
Africa over here, son, you have to?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
People them over here, Africans and call them too.
Okay, well, I'm a part of the tribe, so.
Okay, a part of the Africans.
Yeah, I'm a part of. Then they all Natasha. And I say, I'm going to get them for you, but them whole. You know, see too?
Natasha don't know what I'm going.
You don't know when Susumba all.
Yeah?
That's still going to have a charge against you still in all. Hold on, me not a charge. Wait, let me take. Hold on, me wipe off that sweat here. Yeah, so back to you now. Back to you now, I have a charge against you. How come me I say, me I say you make so over curry goat and you don't reach a Portland?
Who to tell her? Ask him how he go.
No, watch out. You mean not go so?
But not go so.
You know what, God, I not going to really get you.
Yeah, get you. I get
Yes. No, what I know, I'm not going to work on you. I know where all are you.
You don't know where all are you?
You know.
You believe that? No go so.
You know. Watch out.
don't know where all are you.
Eh?
So,
Me old already, so me no want old again. I hope me a go.
Young again.
Me no want young
we
again.
don't want to get the place to eat it because more we have a good day.
No man, I eat it, the one get the place eat it today.
Right.
Mad.
Have a good day.
Active today.
Have a good
Rasta,
day.
deal it today now.
Right now, I want to come to
Alright,
deal
so
with
we
it.
are say. So we are say. Nothing no go so.
Nothing no
How
go,
much
so.
you have for loads?
Me?
Yeah.
Say, I no curry go to vex over.
Yeah.
$5,000 me have to lose.
Alright.
Bet it up now. Come. Come, put it up on the car, so. This is how you like to think as you want to hear the real thing, sir. Come now. This is your run.
I don't know,
You run, man. Come down to the sound of the lyrics. Don't easy yourself. Make it on ready.
Natasha, one video left me alone.
Make it on ready. You actually you want to bust out. And that's Natasha. Tell the truth. You want to bust out. You think you're easy. Come on, market. I try to run the corner. I don't the corner.
I'm $5 for loads.
Actually,
Loads.
Rasta.
Yeah.
How is you bringing a yard?
What that?
Some real video this.
I don't mean that. I'm my car. I'm my car.
So where reach the yard?
Ask Lasco with the pan there.
Watch out. Rasta, you say I'm going to bring in a yard though?
With that. Ask Lasco.
Tell the man come out a yard, did that,
Like
Rasta?
a pork bone.
You are cut you right so.
Down the back. The Lasco see pork.
Yo, me can't have a home, but that's fair.
Why are you laughing like that?
Yo,
You have
you
evidence,
have
Dalvin?
$5 you have $5 for loads.
Me?
You
You have $5 for lose and on a goat thing that the channel I did come that day.
You're not, you say you're not.
Tell him about it.
Chunk.
Alright.
exactly what I'm going, man.
You tell her
What you know,
what.
what you know?
Oh.
What you know? Yes, sir, you have come back
Come
up.
thing there.
Come back up here, sir. Come back up here, sir.
I deal it back. Because I don't have my back already.
Well, come forward up here, sir.
Are you opening it?
I say you're not for loads. You're not.
I'm not the pillow. I mean, I'm not the game.
Wait now.
No, wait.
You're
loose.
What you mean me loads? I mean me loads. Me no want you see other things where they in this. Wait, how me for loads? Hold on. How would this paper? Come here now. Watch out now. Where you say? Come Rasta. Put your $5 there, sir.
You will ask him where go on the day when you come there.
Brother,
Talk
see,
with me.
see the video, yeah, brother.
Now, listen what me say. Listen what me say then, no? Me tell you say you can't cook so done and done cook so early.
But look by your face, look by your
Then no matter my face when me want to have. If you have my face stand, my face can't change. You know what?
And you cause bad one.
What you mean I must cause bad one too?
Evidence. Yo.
I want to cook today, young Rasta.
Where's the card?
Me tell the man say, when me come, me say, what go on? Me say food done. Me say, oh, food is done so early. And then you would come on again and say food. I'm say, you see me I talk about, you should have done already.
Think are you
And then say, go for your son guy here.
You think I cause bad one for
Alright, so I'm going after that.
Me don't know about that coming
So
on the
hold
day.
on, you never know say man them a come a country.
That the day there, me have to do my work that day
Me
there.
no figure your come here say you all a vex.
No man, you know why me vex? What him said to me. So you know better get in that.
I still the curry goat busy
And
because.
that curry goat, I'll tell now, me tell you everything not no goat.
Alright, what you say I get ignorant?
No man, me not get ignorant. I am no goat in this man.
It's a restaurant ball, you know.
But, oh, me, you're cracked in your head, man. You smoke what this morning and I come? Hello, you laugh. What you know? You cry, you cry dead, man. Go laugh. No true, Natasha. Are you going to see a video I'm going to tell you, say, me vex over goat. Like,
Yes,
vex over
yes,
no food
the
and
vex
Rasta.
over goat Rasta.
Remember, you have a bench over there. You have a bench over there if you got the story.
And then first,
Ah,
listen me
that-
now, listen me now, and then first, in cook and me come down and talk to you, so. You know, that's everything, man, man. Come out of that. Come out of that now. Leave it. You see here what you hear already when the
Take the camera off.
But that
pressure for you, you know.
the pressure alright, if you're under pressure.
Make sure stay, make sure boil the food that you know, no pressure.
Ooh,
No pressure today.
You stop down like this and see something.
sniff like what?
Me don't know the right thing, them.
Yeah, but saying, say, you know, empty barrel make him most nice.
Well, that's why you're young, that you know. It's like you're going with something early before you left. You warm up.
That me belly empty, me want food.
Now, you're only 16 weeks since before you come here.
Me only 6 weeks.
Week.
No, me
You mean, and then say you want food in a week,
Eat me week.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, me understand that.
What you say a system? What you call a system?
Unique system.
No.
Unit system weak.
Yeah.
In you.
He knew Kiss 16. Weekend. Alright, you want a new one.
So differently still. Wanna say we are chef up today again?
Curry coconut chicken and some Scottish fish.
I wonder if you coconut did take out like car.
Not know what they call
Is that your
that.
car?
Yeah. Going on. So Snatcher, what go on?
They are going to sip a one Heineken and you know, and wait for this little thing I want to go and wait.
Yeah, good for the food.
Yeah. 'cause-
Right under nutmeg tree.
Yeah. Natural, you know?
Naturally.
Yeah.
So what then do? Then just walk man then
Yeah, they
just drop out.
think them drop out, they just pick them up.
Yeah. Nutmeg.
So the place cool.
Play school and me no feel no breeze a blow.
You hot? You
Yeah,
hot?
me hot
you-
man. Me
You
hot.
hot?
Yeah.
It's a pitch.
You know see how me wipe. Yeah, wipes. What you say what? Take them clothes see what?
There you have.
What the hell? The box cover this. That's that tell me about me take them clothes in me.
Take off your clothes and cool out, no bad now. Your band, leave without clothes, you know. You are going like your band, not clothes.
That smell like a seed so.
Pitch pine, you know, deal with
Pitch
seed.
pine, pitch pine.
See that when you make furniture. Nice shot.
You like that. Blazing. It's like, like and soak that in a highlight or something.
Yeah, man.
No, I saw them.
What you say Martel?
That,
Yeah? I'm going to one sweaty and now wait time to deal with the curry chicken. No.
Brother,
Oh.
you know if you don't have for that man,
Yeah,
no
man.
bother come with
No,
that.
man, because I want to buck up, say the curry by with you. So
Yo,
today,
so hold on there.
Virgin.
When me not come here, so you cook goat over there.
Rasta,
Yeah.
no, man, this is
Hold on. Me like come up, me like come.
Pally show meantime.
Come up here, come up here. What is snatcher? What is snatcher?
normally burn out the goat.
Yeah.
Where you say no? No, who burn out which goat?
Yo,
Me never burn out no goat.
I mean, I tell you, say every day now show on the goat,
Eh,
man.
watch out, any goat we burn out, I must when the goat kill and we are take off. What you call
The
a
skin.
Yeah, most that.
Yeah, what you say? I skin them, brother.
Yeah,
What you want now?
skin them,
But you
brother.
generally eat goat though.
Yeah man, me nah nothing against the
I
goat.
hope I read it. See
Yeah,
that
man,
second.
yeah,
Big
man.
up the channel with that then.
That is it.
That is it, man.
That
Cause
is it,
goat
man.
is the thing, you know.
But me not like that goat Rasta.
Yeah.
Turn
No,
out the
so,
well.
you
Hold
make,
on,
hold on, before you go
yeah,
first.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, you make squid the sniper.
I don't be making.
What you mean then you that you
Watch
see I
out.
look on the
No,
pot
watch
and then
it,
the squid
watch
take
out.
over and take in sniper. How could that cause that?
If you notice me, when them put on the pot, me say put it down good. When me look, me see this say you put it. By the time me turn around and look.
But for me,
I
I
some see man go on the pot
So guys, if I just
Yo.
I prefer the pot it stay right there, so you want to get me stepping right.
Blouse and skirt, boy, me I tell you.
Why not? I'm
So we
more
not get no
one
feet
time.
up, not much. You not, no, eat not much.
That's the same could come back over.
You only over there on a ransom.
I don't want it.
Rasta blaze this
you know. That bitch, I make light it knock out with you.
I miss you like.
She a tell me about white plastic can catch fire.
Then no say me a fireman.
You want a fireman, make him angling, kangle, man.
Well,
A film kangle, you know.
Hey, you see, if you have a piece of that for your house and it catch fire,
Pitch point.
there's no side on your house done for man.
So you got to work.
Yeah.
Yeah, last come here, I feel the breeze now.
Yeah, man, a piece of
Cool, man, I want
pitch point, I want to see or something, you know, man.
You don't talk to me.
Don't talk to you about this. You see what you say?
Yeah.
Nobody rush it, man. It's coming at you.
Alright.
Yeah.
Coming at me.
Cause you walk, the look walk where you walk on better. It was great, right?
Yeah, it was great.
Yeah, man. You
I
want to do
did-
it again, right?
Me do it every day, man.
Every day?
Yeah, every day,
That's
man.
good. That's good.
Yeah.
So you like over here?
Yeah, me like over here, man.
Oh.
Me say
You
me
go
do.
visit you back?
Yes, I go.
You go visit you?
Yeah, man, I go
visit us
visit.
again?
Yeah, man, definitely, man.
Right now we don't want you fall over Portland still, you know.
What?
Where does we live?
Yeah.
Nice.
Over there, nice, man.
Over Buff here?
Same place.
Be a Rasta.
Yeah, some breadfruit over there, so them big.
And a Black Blade place name.
I went there.
Place named Black Hill.
Well, we never go up on no hill. Be a level.
But Black Bear.
Black Hill,
Black
Hill,
Hill,
when
they say
you
when
go
them-
up that hill, the chop them
Yes,
all
sir,
days that
Breadfruit
come
and
down.
big
I would
Rasta.
blow
With
out
the
here so when
material
them come out,
and
we
all
come
that
back full of breadfruit when we come over and the camera is sit down there, so. When me and Mark then go over there, we got a great digging. Alright. And do we end.
And when you
Biggest
go
breadfruit
there
them that never got Portland go see.
Well, me live at Portland no long and me never hear nothing about Black Bear. I have to Google it.
Go still have some anything me go.
Oh yeah, I have to go.
Anyway, me
Phone
go-
and pick up runner. Phone and pick up runner.
Anyway me go, you think them have to change.
Well, I know.
Cause Rasta.
Hold on,
No.
hold on. Where's the Rasta?
Eh?
Where you say? Anywhere you go.
The things I have to change.
Different name.
Different name, because I have to put in my name when me like. Me not take for them.
Oh, so you just justify, you know?
Yeah.
Oh.
Justify. Me not want no
Oh, no, 2 years.
Me not want no dust.
Shake the dust. Shake the shirt.
Look there. No dust.
Oh.
Just normal Jamaica green and yellow shirt. See there?
What you say?
The place where Rasta talk about. I don't know about that place, but I know about Black Hill.
Then that me just tell him say a Black Hill
You know
place.
Rasta?
Doogie man.
Rasta, if I am one time, you have to just hear what me I
So me
say.
not go hear you, Michael.
Alright, let me say something to you.
Yeah.
You call a name a while ago, right?
Yeah.
But basically, I not go work with that because I can't find that place there where you call.
Yeah.
But me can find Black Hill.
Black
You
Hill?
Yeah.
Which one Black Hill?
You're on your way.
Which one I hill them not Jamaica black?
What?
No.
Which one of the hill them
No,
you say
but
in
what
a
you come back
Jamaica
here?
black?
You come back here, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah,
me
which?
not
Well, I know. So which one I be them in a Jamaica black then? If you are gonna say
The
that.
beer?
Yeah, which
Yeah.
beer black?
Yeah, Santa Cruz down there black.
Black how?
Go down there and see people in black off the road.
How am I talk about?
People in black the road.
Yo, you see when
A blacky black.
you see when we are say Black Hill?
Yeah.
When
But
we are-
yeah, which one I place in black?
Yeah.
All I road them where you drive come company are black.
Yeah.
No white.
So we are say that. So
Some
we are
white you
say.
see night, I line with them put 9 million.
Yeah,
And
but
some
we
black.
tell
That's
you-
my time. Robot.
And so I tell them, rub out.
But Rasta, we still a tell us that there's a place called Black Hill.
Black Hill.
Yeah.
So we have to Black River. Ah, so no, so down the black so.
No, but we not talk
But you
about
see,
river
nah.
now.
it's black, so we have to Black River.
But Rasta, you see, you know, you try.
All them Rasta. Don't let them
Black
go.
River.
That-
Don't let them
When
go.
I have about Black Hill, me have Black River down there where river run.
But-
That is hill. River there so.
Yeah,
But
change
nice.
the subject
No,
now,
me
man.
subject. We know that school today. We know our Rasta yard, so we're not school
easy
today.
in the
We are
holiday.
dealing
Yeah,
with
oh.
subject class with it today now. A lyrics bantam with it on Channel TV, Martel TV, running up and running
One
today.
Dalby,
One
subscribe.
Dalby coming around. What my next history in there? We deal with
Rasta,
Breadfruit, eh?
Rasta. I art that.
No.
Yeah, they don't night. I just stem that. Stem that.
So
we take
a
out.
yellow art or white art breadfruit is Rasta.
It look like a yellow.
Yeah.
Done.
Ready.
All them breadfruit in the Rasta when them done roasting, you don't need to fry them.
I will tell them I fry. But you can't just roast breadfruit and fry it. You must think of overnight.
No, man, then.
No, do
No,
that.
no, no.
like a white, so.
That's a white art. Don't Dalby.
I want a white.
One yellow and one white.
So I know it's a me know breadfruit, you know.
And I bring them
No time to bring them.
You know what juice sell with them?
this morning. One no can roast.
You can't roast, man.
Alright.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yo, just cool, man. Make me still know what you said.
That's cool.
Them breadfruit there.
Watch out, me not take that.
You know which one to
We not take that.
breadfruit we are dealing with on the fire.
Roast or fry.
Hold on.
Rasta, man, you burn up your finger.
Yeah, man, they have better away there, man.
We not burn up no finger.
Blazing.
Blazing fire upon them today.
Alright. And basically, you see, today, Rasta.
Alright, what
Yes,
was it?
sir,
Yo,
More
the
fire,
breadfruit
one
are
more
gonna take long
Yeah,
for
one
roast.
next, one
It's
next.
not
Cool.
along for roast.
You see today?
No, mama, we roast some last night, man, and you
Fish.
take the
You
long
see
one.
fish?
Alright.
You see fish?
Alright, we could go on.
Good,
We know the partner, yes, by the way.
No, man, I rain, not even. We have to
Rain no
know.
there, man. No call
Okay,
us
rain and call
man.
us.
No call us rain, man.
You see fish, what you going to deal with today?
Deal?
What you going to look after today? Based upon what you going to do?
Like you want like what we so we go and we don't so we're there.
Yeah, more the whole heap of gum.
Alright.
You want?
The whole heap of gum in it. You see like how that one is thick?
Yeah.
The part build it up.
Michael, assume we were talking, right?
You know, she pick one for me when you see so. I see this here.
Rasta.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you mean me never realize that jelly tree up there, so?
Rasta, you
Oh,
can't
me-
be.
me
Can't remember she
answer
just
when-
said she hot and you tell her she don't. Maybe she never want none for real too.
Oh, so you have to pick one for me too.
But Rasta, they get bigger than what there.
Oh, look here now, man.
Oh, God.
Woman should have.
We take
She boss there, so. I ride
I
from
can't work on that himself. Oh, it looks so.
Where you drop
a drop one on the bus. Yeah.
Yes, not a last jelly this in the island.
Man.
You see, you want to try it
That's
out?
go pick one for me. Now. You see bamboo stick long here.
Oh, he hook up mob. You have to use something and knock him out. I brace it on the stone.
You take the one take me week. I want to start blow out, I start to push you while I go draw out to blow out. Yeah, so.
So what go on now? Yeah, they got not heavy, you know.
Let me tell you what I feet, man.
It's steel in it.
No, not steel, man.
What?
Get somebody go up there, say, and take off all up there, see, coarse salt, mama.
You throw all that in there.
You put the coarse salt in there.
What you mean?
Well, if you put that in there, it don't work. I don't know what else to say.
I want him to you. What up there?
No, so them reach certain size, and until see rain start fall. The body doesn't. Yeah, when the rain start fall,
me
it
get
leak
to
on the
your
side, yeah.
So up there, should have bust out the...
Martel,
come here. Outside, you know. One rasta. There, just chop one jelly bean, you know.
Up and running.
Full of water, though.
Look here.
Meat in there?
Yo, little as it is, water in there.
Yeah, man. So, Rasta, you believe what they say? So, when people drink jelly, right?
Wash off your hands.
Wash off hard. Something got some?
Yeah, a special water.
You feel yourself for real?
Yeah, man, a special,
Hold on, Delvin, what you feel?
special water.
Watch out.
Can't talk.
Why?
That's why they say, yes, it's some man where about them I drink water, man,
Watch your
put that
sweat
water in a good feel.
Say, Rasta, something got some for real?
Yeah, because Dalby can't talk. He wash off your hands and he couldn't talk.
Oh.
No.
He couldn't talk a while ago. He couldn't talk a while ago. Because he talk a while ago and I vomit. Remember me tell her that? Yeah, because look there, see there? Me tonight. You have to wash off.
Right now, unique system.
Right now, unique system, that one there go. Then he come and say, in a unique system, weak.
Yeah.
So that one there now, clean him up. Make him get sturdy. All right. You see the Dalby nearly do a while ago.
Oh shit, I put our finger in
Nearly get me just go so.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see,
Vlog done.
now good thing say me active finger and I watch him. Can you take a spoon there on the finger that take off? I wouldn't want that.
Yeah,
You
man.
get the best one now, go on.
You caught that?
Yeah, me I watch that one there.
That's what I see now that meat there, right?
Meat in the man.
Oh.
Look on the one Rasta. I ain't get the best
I
one.
see her one, the Rasta.
See meat there, you want it?
It look fat.
See there?
What you say?
No, me I said that meat there, it look fat.
Oh, yo, a coat not to talk about here.
I caught that meat him at talk about it.
Oh, I know.
You're alright, you know.
Oh, I know.
You're alright, you know.
Aye.
Man down to our belch.
Yeah.
Yeah, see there?
Man, at the well want you, man.
Yeah. It's a good look, you know.
Well, it have to be a good look on the Martel TV.
Oh, and Dalvin, though. What Rasta?
Next
We
picture.
want go over the back soon, go build up the bench. Because the HQ nice, you know.
Tileys, man.
And table too. Rasta, you scoop, so a soup.
Yeah. But this is soup and not drinking soup.
Yeah,
Coconut soup.
yeah.
See there? Natural coconut from half the yard farm. On an outdoor farm, you know.
Yeah.
Indoor.
Yes, sir, indoor.
And then the yard just not as well.
Yeah.
You know, they go like that. A bush you go. Now yard, so them coconut are more sweet.
Watch you now, Pip. David, get down in a fair, watch you.
Murder me and murder this runner.
Someone murder a chicken and you don't deal with it now too. So it's full of stomach and come and work.
So you say, and then go to come and cook today? And that's where you go in the riverside with you. In a red shirt, in a river.
But she not start red charge, right?
So I can taste it when you say I'm going to watch the show.
Hey, it's when the fire there, but Rasta the one who done yet.
I will say so.
Say what?
The
They never make fire going on budget.
Fire real loud. So you make the pot hot and then throw the oil in there. that, we don't want to do that.
Man, say that they never do that yet. Don't you never hear that part?
So go on, guys. Yeah, man. You have to forward to Jamaica if you know a nice life, you know. I see it, snatch a soon gone. Look on your face. Look on your face. Soon gone. Yeah, man, watch out.
Let them go and because they feel soft. Yeah? They feel soft.
Where's the guy now?
Down here place where one come. Yeah, one goat, ram goat we are cook and eat.
I cookie. I come cookie.
So me I go drink, me I feel like me can cook it still. But me cook it still. But you can cook still.
Me can't, you know so me
Nah
can't cook.
man, you say you cook curry goat the first time with you. And the man they say nice.
Yeah.
Suppose I buck up.
Eh?
Suppose I buck up. I don't believe in a buck up.
I will say man, watch a man we are buy a goat and put on the one nice ram goat.
Yeah.
You know, then it's going to be like a little holiday thing, right?
Yeah.
You know, and we come in and sit in,
Yeah.
and you just deal with it.
I just deal with it.
Yeah, man.
That not sound bad, man. Me deal with it, man. A simple thing, man.
Yeah, man, we deal with it.
I go for Angel funeral, brother, and I tell you, say, brother. I send my G, say, yo, I look about my curry goat and chicken with whole heap of gravy. Some Rasta man roll me in a brother, and the Rasta they nah take no goat to them because they watch me because I'm a stranger, you know, don't set me here in a brother.
Yeah.
Send my curry goat come.
Yeah.
And I come, say, and I come, say, look around. Every Rasta man a blood, and you mean God. I say, yo, I say, me just supposed to
you know what,
like
go on.
me, them are watching the G.
Yeah, me no want that curry goat business and me business. I go too far, because we don't want get the Rasta them get too. We don't want push Rasta them at one.
Watch the mama. You say,
But a fox you attack still.
Me nah eat, brother.
I love him curry goat.
Me I deal with pork. But they don't run joke with my curry goat. The ram goat, you better try give me that once a curry.
So
Yo,
what is your name? What is your name?
Eh?
What is your name?
Popsy then call me now.
Alright, Popsy.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I love curry goat for real, man.
Alright.
I'm matter of fact, I love curry.
Yeah.
All cabbage, me curry.
Yeah, man.
All saltfish, me curry.
Everything can curry, you know.
What I say?
Yes, Alaska. Everything that can curry?
Everything.
Yeah, man, everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, everything
Yeah,
can
you're
curry.
right about that, man.
Yeah, man, everything can curry. Curry nice with everything, you know.
Everything.
Yeah, which one,
And the
man?
right curry too.
Yeah, the right curry. Which one I curry? Them my right curry.
Which one is my right curry?
Yeah.
The Indian curry, man.
The Indian curry are the best one.
You don't know me have to ask about curry, man. I mean,
man,
curry
the
lad,
Indian
man.
curry are the best one.
Yeah, how you say
So
what?
which curry you would like, Dalvin?
Me no have no specific one. Me just know say curry or curry.
Now man, you have curry taste
You have
better than
curry,
curry.
curry, you have curry taste better than curry.
Yeah, man, curry taste better than curry. Better pack
Some of
one.
them they are different flavor.
Better pack.
Oh, you see, best curry still.
Which one?
I curry what you do.
Nata.
Yes,
You
yes,
know-
yes,
well,
yes, yes.
You know
Nata.
Nata.
Of course,
What is
right.
Nata? What is Nata?
I see anytime me I come, you know, I check me back again, me I can't come go.
Alright, may I remind you
Yeah.
every day, you know?
Yeah, remind me every day, every
Me no like
day.
attack where you just make a while
What kind of
ago.
attack me make?
You tell the man if you check your back. A cash we deal with. We not deal with check. What I'm telling you, man. No check bunks. You know, no check bunks here. Cash we deal with and deliver. No check.
What China? Me I go bring it. Me I go bring it
Not a
Nata.
tree there on here, man. We have not
Nata
about.
tree. Oh, Nata
on
road.
the road.
Oh.
Look how Breadfruit they look pretty.
Me
now.
see they look pretty, man.
Them are roast.
Them are roast, man.
I mean, Breadfruit are roast.
I want thing, you know, me have faith in a breadfruit, you know.
Them have faith in a Breadfruit. I mean, no, nothing.
Stop, take back your argument now. Them are go on, man. Eh, what go on?
Man, you say they want to come get a strength from the building too.
Oh. We know if you plan it there, man, I tell you if you plan it
True. You
there.
see all the stone wall them? I believe we can stone wall them.
We don't make some plan. Our house have plan.
Yes,
We
sir.
don't take them type of plan. We just do what we are do. We don't work with plan.
Yes, the Delphi get nervous.
No, get which nerve in us.
Nerve one. You can't get
Eh,
first.
if you
alone. Put
You
that
cook
down.
goat, you know, so chicken a small fry, you know.
Oh, for wish.
You
Delphi.
know, so I don't like chicken, really.
Really? Vegetable you prefer?
Yes, chicken.
Yeah, Rasta make you don't know say too much vegetable not good.
Oh,
want 2 pounds of chunks we gonna bring.
Yeah, the chicken business, you know.
Yeah.
Get some water, come.
The thing gone for.
They say a cardboard.
So you believe that, Snatcher? So Dalvy, you believe so cardboard make chunks?
I don't know nothing about it.
You ever eat it before?
Yes, but listen, I'm going
Me ask you something. Me want to talk first.
Yeah.
What it tastes like?
Can't recall.
A long time.
Yeah. But yeah, where me at it out?
One time. See me? Good old ground fish. Chef Dalvy on the up.
I want the breast in this.
Breast and thigh.
I want all that chicken.
Okay,
Take all that chicken and small one. What missing?
if you have 2 breasts. But I say chicken no carry breast still.
Where you carry titty?
Them say breast carry nipple.
Let's go on for this here ground now.
Scraping time.
Scraping time, I think I wait in there. Think I scale, scale.
Then how you do them? Now scrape until they get them out. Like it has scale already.
I say I don't see nothing come off by it. But you always have to
Yeah man, clean them up properly back so you do it.
So we are going to do this official.
Steam it down.
Steam it down.
How much? I'm about scubby fish. Them can't scubby. Big fish is scubby, man. Bony set me I can't scubby.
I see the shop where you set up as a woman.
Yeah.
I respect that, man. Because you have enough woman just sit down and depend on man, you know.
That is it for sure, man.
I see all out and set up a little thing. We
Yeah.
say, man,
Motivation.
I love her, man.
Yeah, man, most of the time my motivation, you know. That's the only thing more.
Yeah,
Man.
man,
That's
that's
the truth.
Alright, you see that thing you want to now go on is energy.
Yeah.
And this bring up a whole heap of love.
True.
I see it away from Port and left from.
Yeah.
And come a St. Andrew.
I love me tell
Right
you
now
this.
we're in Smoky
Yeah,
Vale.
man.
Smokeyville. Me have you as my family right now, you know that?
Yeah, me have you as my family too.
Right, so you see if you mess up this,
Yeah.
I come get you.
Get me out.
I come get you.
How we answer sister?
Believe in
You're
you,
good
man.
like gold,
Yeah,
man.
man. I have your back here.
Alright.
You're right, man.
Yeah, man.
That is it, man. Yeah, I'm born up here.
Last time my boss say patat, so
Anytime we touch on our country, a different thing, man.
Yeah, different thing, man. Don't that nice, man.
Hey.
Huh?
we not left when I go back.
You look here and left me, brother.
You see the flavor of our Portland?
Yeah.
Is it?
Different.
Watch out, I see man left from
Me
we
go
are
there, me I tell you,
injured.
say,
Come
me,
and enjoy
me I
the
tell you,
thing
say,
down
I go to Portland. And me
Yeah.
I tell you, say, I just my style.
You know,
People say, when you come back. And me I tell you, say,
you
yo,
left from fly from half
me,
an
yo,
inch.
me left from town, you see, and go to Portland.
Yeah.
I want funeral, where me I tell you, me don't even know the person.
Yeah.
But you see two of me go,
Yeah.
and pull up, people and say, you, where you come from?
Yeah, man, Portland.
Yeah, man, them love me going to bed, man.
See
Yeah,
it,
man.
man. See it, man. Cause first time I see you on the up, me I say, what? You're full of vibes, man.
The school,
I
man.
vibe with
The
you,
school,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Me I tell you, man.
But your vocabulary is small still.
Why? Why you say that? Talk to me now. Why you say that now?
Put the tongue between your teeth and talk properly.
My vocabulary what?
Small.
Small in what way?
I Rasta tell say that you know. You get your
You, we just hear
Oh, you, no, me hear you say that.
You can pick up when you say.
Yeah. But watch out now. Alright, when you go up on Google, where you go for? When you go up on Google and type in sitting, you go forget the meaning or you get information. Well, that's how you.
You're my father.
Hold on there. So I go on now. See how I deal with that now, Rasta.
Street fish.
Fish?
Yeah. Swimmer we are where them man call
fish
it.
over here, so.
Yeah,
So
ready.
you know, clean up the chicken.
That's the last one.
That's the last one.
Yeah, me I deal with this first. Yeah, me I steam on the fish them
Let's
first.
see what I go on here today.
Rasta, yeah. We are the boss. Fish are swim away.
No, Rasta.
Swim away.
You know, say me I left here because be a man and woman me see a swim away me got it.
That them a swim away, them can't swim away left me.
Young boy.
Oh, look what going on.
on.
A tree carrot I get today. How you feel?
Yeah, man.
And they always bring one.
You always bring one and a three.
Three, then can't
Me don't know if I chew me call them out where they when they give me three, you know. They give me three of them where they are.
Don't so too?
Yes,
That's why they can't
and me I say, oh no, give me three.
And give Rasta one.
One.
You see that?
That me I say.
Yeah.
In Dalby,
Yeah?
when you are reading about fish, what you read about? Swimmer we are fish.
Fish.
That is it.
Yeah, man.
Rasta, what you read about Rasta? Swimmer we are fish.
Then a swim come to you? Before you get him. Me no respond to them there one day. That's that way.
Certain and certain man can't name fish, bread. And we have to know that certain and certain man can't name fish.
Hold on. Yeah, that's your thing a while ago,
It's a
Rasta.
joking thing.
Where do you say go on a while ago?
Me tell him, say, me did this, I spray something on the car.
Yeah.
And the sunlight going on like rain out to fall. And me look cross over this and I say, Father, how I go on? Me go this, make the sunlight just come up back right now. And I see the cloud just walking so. What not too so. And me look at a man face as me say, bright man face. And he has all around him, he be a white, pretty beard.
So you see God then?
Right. You can't say it's a God, me say.
So what you see? You sure you never smoke something?
No, I'm not smoke. I'm normal and me I look up at my son, man. I say that. To be honest with you, I say, boy, Father, you're real.
Yeah.
You know, show yourself in the cloud.
Oh,
That
okay.
we can't say. You want to say, Father, real.
You
Check
see-
it, yeah, check in.
Yeah, man, I check in.
Yeah, cash off, cash in.
Alright, me a cash in.
Yeah, you can't no check.
Alright, me a cash in
Yeah.
for Rasta, you know.
No check can't work for me. Beat them bunks. What you say?
Yeah, man.
Alright, then after that.
Rasta, that's cool. A cool pattern, I said.
Why you say that? They kick like a Van Damme. You still.
So yeah, the boiled pumpkin.
Yeah, we have to steam on the pumpkin first before it.
Okay.
Yeah, man, we like pumpkin, right?
Nice fish, you know. Look at that, look a bad part, you know, just, you see me?
Yeah, man, that is right.
I just mean no make the table bigger, you know. Because you know not more time we come out and not much we have. We just slice it and it just work.
Yeah.
But now we have to make a bigger table.
No, man, we not like 3
Ah, man, I put and we make a big table, man.
No.
One ram we are buy.
Yes, one big goat.
Yeah, man.
Yo, you have to cook, you know, brother?
Me?
Yeah.
Why you say so?
Yeah, and you want to cook, brother.
Yeah, man, I told you I cook
That's
sister.
it. But don't cook in a restaurant a week time. So when the vlogger
yeah.
run, I said, yeah, Rasta, run this and I go and sample it. I say, yeah, that'll be
Nah,
get
man.
1 3 today. Rasta get 1 8
Martin,
today anyway.
Martin.
I'm sorry, Rasta.
Martin, Rasta, I taste something good to what brother.
Rasta, Rasta, you hear it?
Rasta, I taste
Yeah, yeah, Rasta.
Rasta.
No, sir. Ask them man before I put it on my door.
Yeah, taste part.
I mean, not taste it until it's done.
I saw me cook too, you know?
Yeah, man.
Me not really taste, but...
Goat already.
Yeah, but that you
Yeah,
know
but-
the road.
Yeah, but.
Come, boss.
But I no.
You Rasta.
You have to
Yeah,
understand.
boy, yeah, but.
But you have to understand, you know.
Yeah.
You have to
Boss,
understand.
no,
A lot of
no,
times,
no.
a lot of time, me not taste it till it
Why?
done.
Why?
I just show you I energy everything.
What
You
you
don't understand, Rasta?
That's it.
What?
Yeah, if you go try and fix up
Fix
your
up.
statement them where you make the tasting and them thing there. You have to try to replace them with some better word, you see me?
I see him thing. Let's go over there. Say no
Where
like
am I
oh. You must say no like oh nowadays. You know change up your
No,
vocabulary.
remember say Jamaica, that's it.
Jamaica.
It's a whole different culture. So we have to live full culture though.
Ah,
Yes
yeah.
or no?
Nah, good way you say still.
Okay, still want to use them word there.
then we learn at school.
I could quote by the Rasta grandfather, they left that email.
Jesus Christ.
Rasta, like
Where's the come on,
that look a cold pot there. Most Rasta grandfather. Look for that cold pot.
Year fan it.
Yeah, brother, watch out.
Come
Watch out, some scab run outside Japa. Rasta.
I burn that bun out and
I have grandfather
Rasta,
here.
where watch this? And it don't
No.
Alright.
Then a good thing for be and you. No, a good thing that means you that do good.
Because-
do good.
Because what you know, no?
Come on.
Old people not really and things stay if you not do good.
Rasta man in 1960.
A 60 is a born Rasta?
Yeah. Rasta a big man for me, brother. I'm born in 70, brother.
Yeah.
Let me know what I know there.
You will not know what I'm there.
Yeah, man, so
Yes, sir. In both here.
No, you can't both.
Let's see hold on.
Where Pops does.
Yeah, man, I end up in one of the
Nice 60s. So that me say me just look pan and say me hold on.
70s.
No, but last part I say you're a tone. I show off.
No, team tone.
Wait, say base up and go on, wait, say.
I mean, the man a high pound will say, yo, brother, it's not because you're older than all of us, you're going to say.
How old man you? Me just young. British.
How old are you now?
Me? Just 103.
How much?
103.
No, man, stop the capping, man. Stop
60.
capping.
Kept the pan here, Rasta?
Look at that more I know.
Where's the Rasta? You're 60?
160. So you how much?
60 coming, July.
July?
Oh.
So you how much?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
45.
45. That doesn't sound bad, man. But I lie, I tell still. Party which
You want
five?
some bread paper?
Party which five with them there?
No, man. Yo, this one,
Yes, sir. People just born of them there.
Yo, you know see people are born just have them here. Come on, man.
Party which five? Talk it joke, man. I'm capping.
A joke, man. 47, man.
2 more up you go.
Nah, yo, my birthday not coming.
When your birthday?
14th of June.
14th of June.
Yeah.
So that's why I come to Portland for 14th of June, man.
Yeah, it's a Sunday, man. I'm there with my friends. There, man.
Oh.
Yeah, man, I'm there, man. I'm there the 14th of June. If I'm early or strong.
Yeah, that's the master, so.
That means she have to go there here a whole heap of days because she have to go there for my one.
Yeah,
Turn off your one.
You know, I talk my thing on camera, I'm private.
Come on, boy, private. Come on, boy.
Yo, you see me still, me tell you how when.
Alright.
14th of June. Yeah, man, I'm not hide nothing.
No, nothing for you.
No, my dear, I come on from me there, though.
Yeah, man.
So link up, yeah?
Yeah. So this is for the one now. Don't put on this party a bone up.
What kind of pot, Rasta?
Watch out, it come like Rasta and fire going up water, that's why. Me see you in plan, man.
If I rice pot, you could have scrape all the foot.
Tell me about a knife in a pot business, I know.
He never hear.
He never hear.
She want run.
All we are going still, you know.
All we are going.
You see, with all we are going, you see that thing what we are doing? I still want to do my pot too. You have to boil a pot of caramel pie.
So why you no boil it, I will give you a grade.
And give me a grade?
Yeah, we get a thumbs up. Me get a thumbs up.
Me no have a problem, you know.
Thumbs up a 5 or 8.
But I time. I'm not going to make time for this still. One of them do I'm not boil.
But last time, I don't want to thick pies, brother. I don't want to...
I like my thick pies.
What time o'clock a strike, you know? Yeah. You see, you know. Clean up the foul.
Yeah.
Curry down the foul.
Yo, me no use sugar in my pie.
Yeah.
Me I tell you that straight.
Yeah.
You say now me done deal this with all the coconut and me what you call it? Vanilla. All of them little thing there. Me rosemary.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Well, that means yeah, you have to cook. So hold on, then you have to come cook your caramel porridge and make it taste in one night time,
Me
man.
say I'm gonna do it.
Oh, me never hear.
I'm gonna do it.
We don't want to put in a bread.
You know, sir.
In Portland, you're gonna do it?
My plan, my thing different. Up the coast, me I carry my thing. I not carry my thing at all.
I know up there.
Yeah, man, me I got fans all over.
Oh my God.
All over.
Oh my
From me touch a Portland, you know, man, and yes,
I touch a Portland everything
Okay,
done.
I'm proud you boy British.
Oh, God.
Cornmeal. And what?
So I go on.
Never use the cornmeal.
Fish them in this, you know, no?
Yeah, blade it up.
Go on, no?
Yo, we are dealing, we are dealing this. Oh, God. What is that? Yo, you see coconut? Any coconut, you know, are different.
Rasta season not that good enough. Rasta dodo.
Yeah.
I wish I carry them here, you.
Better pack that now.
Better pack, yeah,
The
you.
better pack are the best pack.
That what kind of season that you put down in this?
All purpose, so you put it like that.
Okay.
Now, what kind of this, man?
No, I'm not seeing about there, so.
You can't know where they.
I'm not seeing a secret ingredient, so.
No, remember we have guests. We can't have a secret today.
You can't know where they.
That'll do. Bring something for you.
Bring something for me?
Yeah, wash off that sweat here.
Alright, respect, man. Give thanks.
Well,
Cheers to the weekend.
What
What me I drink? Bun sugar.
You must know.
Me not start drink yet. So tell me before I start drinking.
Yeah, Pop saying off. Put in some stick in that. Put on that pot.
Should I come on to son Rasta?
Yeah! Rasta. Rasta, who that?
Now forward.
They said that we are taking off the pots.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I mean, I tell them, say, even though I don't really deal with them thing here that much, I know say them.
Them took long time.
If anything on there, you can kind of, you know, blame me upon it.
Blame upon it.
Yeah.
Yo, that'll be the easy, you know.
Me take you blame, man.
You take the blame for that one there.
Yeah, man, me take you blame.
That'll be that man set good here.
Straight over to that part.
What's your rubber? It was. Nah, come on, it was. Oh. Alright.
Ready. Take it, now.
It's a lucky pot like Rasta. Quick and fast.
No, you was
Say, Bunny.
get that for me. Back to Rasta, you know.
Rasta, where you say I go on there, sir?
Hmm?
Where you say I go on there, sir?
Chicken.
Just so.
Curry
Yes, sir.
chicken and
Curry
chicken up. Season up.
Rasta. Deep at them and where you burn out with you. Why you full of them so much today?
You will not climb that tree.
True.
No, you see me? Me just see her come with them, me da go say something about me.
You should say it, man. You should say it.
Me no bother say that. Me just fit in and no bother say that.
Listen,
What you know no?
Yeah.
No,
Dalby.
kind of for me fault in all the way.
Why?
So you not bring the coat now?
Me bring a coconut in, but me never know, so we not go up the near 3 cars, so me never
Dalby.
pack it in.
All the while, him a burn it out and should have coat
Yeah,
that too.
I know that too. None of them are one upon the tree, you know. And this man may have tried to look it off and just struggle me, so I just left it.
Left it.
Yeah, man.
Anything we are struggling,
Yeah, man, I never fight down for you because nothing, because I not kill
yeah,
myself.
we not kill yourself.
Not kill myself over nothing. Alright, bam, bam, bam.
But Dalby, you say anytime I come back a Portland, me are in the pot.
Yeah, man. That me want.
So that I go happen.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you say,
Anytime.
man say I might run the park, we are just sit down and swim.
Anytime we touch back over Portland and Portland, me a go van things.
I go one thing,
Yeah.
because remember see that you did say about Chewy place now officially out yet still. That's why I see you
place official, I
Yeah,
just
but
say
me I tell you, man, no help.
I look fine now.
no help.
No help.
Right.
That is it, man. And no butter.
Butter, I'll see you get ingredients.
Can't leave the butter.
I mean, now slide down no
Yeah, you
butter.
butter too.
Yeah?
I use
When me
butter.
I go cook, me need my butter.
All right, tell him.
So hold on.
So you need the butter for them.
When me I go cook,
Slide down the gutter.
yeah, when me I go cook, the butter needed.
Butter is our secret ingredient, but you cannot know when it go in, because you not see it.
Yeah, just taste it.
You're going to taste it. You're going to hear about the butter, but you're not seeing it when it going in there.
Okay, Rasta. I hear you.
Hmm?
I hear you.
You have to hear me, because when I speak very loud and clear, that's you hear properly.
I hear you,
Right.
Rasta. I hear
So,
you.
When you see we have the butter out here, you're going to see it there, but you're not see it when it going in the pot. All in your eye going in the pot and you don't see it. Tell you when you know what I tell.
Yeah.
It's good to the man say, you never see when it going in.
Quick and fast.
Quick and fast. And it gone inside the pot.
The Rasta. That's all for watching the aisle.
May I mine? A little bit of oil me with just burn the curry. See it there?
Alright.
You know what no more than that. We did it curry.
Yo, you learning it. You come on fire, you know.
We not use oil for curry. We not use no oil at all. Because water alone can deal with it.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, yeah, I'll
water
the
that.
chicken can use too.
Eh?
Chicken.
The chicken fat, no. Not even sizzle.
Alright, good on you say. You want to no, you want me to take that.
You never see we got fire and come again?
One piece of garlic, yeah, Rasta.
Rasta, water that over in the corner there, sir.
No, I don't think so water.
When say?
Everything is dry out.
What is that? Water that.
Garlic, it's done.
Yeah, Rasta. Rasta, you want some fish in there. The fish.
Fish done gone through already.
You done? Long time.
Yeah, Rasta.
The garlic, that's all.
You look good, but you know, smell nothing yet.
What you all gonna smell so?
Me say yet, Rasta.
Alright, the general. See there?
Yeah.
One base upon our chicken and put in curry chicken.
Yeah, but remember the iron at yet.
I will tell you, put your hand in there.
Hold on, sorry. Remember really that Michael interview. What you doing about?
Come test your hand in there, Michael. Come now, let me test your finger
Me
first.
just to the pot.
So
Whatever.
you know hear the garlic and it nice.
I
hear that now.
Sorry about my fault.
But me ask you something. When you have cook for it, right?
The pot? How much pot on that knife?
So you're going to make a big chef to this. I gotta tell the real chef what to do.
No, but me I tell you to
I said, do they run from fire?
You see fire blaze up like you want to come down with some finger.
Oh, God.
You see that?
I'm staying up very far.
Yeah, like a sister blow. Fire ready.
Can I tell you?
Yeah, it look good still Rasta. But you see fireside Rasta, wicked. That's why you hear them say if you can't take the heat straight out of the kitchen though.
If you don't love feet, come out of it.
You love?
Love.
After there is too much fire.
You have too much fire.
Yes sir, Michael.
That look like I got too much fire, brother.
Fire can't too much.
What pan that?
Fire can't too much.
Yeah, but you're burning up the pot. So you hear me?
But then I feel some burn.
Be a farmer going to right? For the score line, you have in mind.
You two there? You see,
Martin,
based upon where I want,
so water with this.
when it reach the part at the testing part, you know, that's what I'm going to show you. What I want, because if it not work out, man, I have to go down to there, you know. Yeah, man. Me I talk from my experience, because, yo, nah lie.
Where go around?
The breadfruit, me I watch the breadfruit.
Yeah, watch it.
The fish,
The fish, yeah, watch it.
and you see this a curry chicken, yeah?
Yeah, watch it.
Yeah, watch it.
IT.
But
well,
you
IT?
see- IT, but
I
you
must
see
IT, yeah, watch.
But what, you
I
see
can't
what,
that.
too much fire
You
upon
can't
that
tell
thing.
too much fire. Put your
Brother, look
finger
at
in
the
there.
pot.
I say fire if you stay on a pot. Fire if it's slow.
I'm teaming
I
on the
want
food
to
cook.
And fire, me say. Blazing fire.
So much fire, Rasta?
Yes, I.
Fire good man.
Fire good for you, man. Make all you keep on your body fit. You know, wood fire make you keep fit, you know. You say like a gas stove there. You get too much gas in your belly. You hear what name? Gas stove. This now again no gas in your belly.
What that give?
Food.
So, when you say Rasta, I would fire this.
You would fire this real wood.
Stick.
No stick around here, brother.
When you don't step man stick.
Stick fire. Stick.
When you get a stick, you know.
Stick. You deal with stick fire.
This is something I'm really like to talk about.
Piece of the interview.
What you see?
Give me a piece of the interview, you know.
What you say?
Me see something, and me no want say it today,
Yeah?
but me I gonna say it.
Yeah.
Me a ball person. You didn't see any size Janzi for me. It's only you alone you see Janzi for
What
me.
Ganzi? What
You can't do it bad.
That's so bad. That don't look good. No,
So
sir.
you really are free one little t-shirt.
The point is, you know, say,
But Michael, you're in a
because-
polo. And I didn't say anything about the polo shirt.
Yo.
you know my style say I pull up for days, but at least me see the Janzi and me I tell you, catch my eye. Me think with that. When me I can make my own say,
I was looking at it too, you know.
You want to get, oh, you see it? You see it? I got somebody with me.
But not in the full way as well you look at it. But I was...
They said, do the pot come to come.
Yeah, because me I said to myself that, come on. We are going out there, right? Yeah, and we are
You know what to
going
catch
out
up in there.
there.
Just little bit.
Little bit of water. That's what me working.
Adventure. And look at me.
But in due time.
Hey, they didn't say nothing before the time.
You know?
And maybe
Yeah.
that one there.
You know, rampant now cooking at
Curry
that.
chicken. Rasta do it in the kitchen.
Straight.
Yeah.
Grand Martel TV up and running.
Never too.
Listen, I like it, but you see my type of Janzi, you know, it's not the round neck.
Blessings.
When I like
Oh, you
them
like
type,
the V-neck?
yeah, I like V-neck,
And
and
button
I
up.
like button up, like,
Oh.
if you notice my Janzi is polo, yeah.
Oh.
Can scan my Janzi as well, you know, because the barcode is there. You know.
Oh, yeah, I said zoom in on the barcode, the Martel.
You can do it. You can do it.
Let me see. You see if the barcode not there, you have to burn it today. Let me see.
You have to go down. You have to go down.
No, there's a barcode in it.
Michael. The whole world I go to send a barcode in this today, man.
No, you know.
Hold on. Let me fall along the thing. There's
Come
none.
Look.
There's none.
Which one now look?
Which one?
There's none, Michael.
You talk too quick.
There's none.
Look the right
So
place.
this that you have is a Chinese made.
What Chinese made?
This is a Chinese made today.
You find the barcode, because you contact our
Watch him.
barcode. Them they tell you how to wash it.
Let me see your face now. Look up your camera and talk again. Michael. Watch out. You have ticks.
I run place in the I run place in
Where place? Hold on, me don't talk.
It's by Malo.
Yo, back up.
When you find it, I get back to you. Come here, Rasta. Michael, say my barcode so I get on now. Whoa, Rasta.
Yeah.
Rasta, you know how to touch your hand?
This is a turn up man and thing Rasta look about if a man, you know, say it a real thing. You're telling Dalvik.
Look rich and nice.
You know where this one up on there?
Wait on.
The coconut milk we go and cook it down.
So come with it in the Rasta?
They're already waiting for it.
Alright, come in and leave, you know. I see Delvia stand up like a soldier.
Watch this.
Yeah.
Thing go on, brother.
Look
You
good.
hear part of bubble? I not see no trouble.
Yeah. See
The
it?
secret in there.
Coconut milk gone in already and
Yeah,
thing look
everything.
beautiful. What go on?
I get burned.
Have you touched liquor off that you touch
What?
me?
Lick off, kind of lick off.
Yeah, yeah.
Where you say though?
Fire burn me there so
No,
that
where you
lick
say
it-
though?
lick it off.
Why? Then Delvia.
What do you mean why? They have so hot and to burn.
No man, I don't saw this one now here man. No wrong with doing say.
Oh.
So me not have question, me have permission.
Yes sir, taste time, yeah,
No,
me smell something
no,
now.
sample.
Sample.
Same, Adi. Test it now.
Hold on.
Ain't nobody jump in her hand just so you know, wait.
Wait.
Tell you what this one on Rasta. This one a little more pepper.
Alright, if you
Little
want.
pepper and little salt.
Two pepper, me cut up in there with seed everybody, you know.
Wait one, Dalvik.
Eh?
Why? You want pepper
Yes,
and salt
fresh.
to bring up the flavor.
Fresh? That's why I use too much salt and
Where you say Martel?
Take your time, man.
Where some?
Rasta say it want seed.
I want something to put in
It
there.
want
Seed, what kind of seed?
Coconut.
Pepper seed?
So what kind of seed if you talk, Natasha?
Merely have tasty much in it.
You know, taste the coconut in there.
The coconut.
Tasty but in a
You light,
taste.
you know,
So,
yeah.
I see next one I have to go in there.
Yeah man, put that one in there.
But the color look good still.
So you mix it out in the water too?
Yeah.
And throw it, no, but
Rasta, you can't just go and trade in this and mix it in.
No man, you have to mix up a little bit first.
Alright.
so you add more water to this?
No, that no want no more water. That chicken they look soft too, you know.
Chicken and now get no more water.
So when you mix that in the water that?
Yes, sir.
No, me I say that chicken is soft.
Oh, so you have problem, you know.
No,
So you do this and that, I see it, you know, mix it thick. Mix it water, see that?
Well, yeah, that little water then I go kill it. But nothing like a real coconut, though, that's
Yeah, me that.
real native.
That's that. Yeah, that's go tell you this, you know. But me I go tell you too. See, next time I forward over here or nothing, I don't want to see no bag.
What kind of
I
bag?
don't want to see no coconut. I don't want to see
Oh,
no...
them here?
Yeah,
You want to know, you know, want to see no superpower milk.
You don't
No,
want to
me
see
don't
super
want
power.
to see them
Cause them boy
there.
a big
No,
super
do it
power.
Where, sir? Where, sir? So, hear me asking now.
Hear me now. A Martel can super power come give Rasta for use 9 man. Because I don't know, so Dalvik carry the coconut and make she left it out her yard. Just to use it.
Alright, watch
Just
out
to
now,
use
watch
it
out
out
now,
there.
watch out now, cause watch out, shopping going on.
Yeah.
Might as well let it go for your coconut in my car.
The rest of what is one? Curry soup?
Curry chicken.
Curry soup?
No soup, none of this.
Yes, that's why I add some dumpling in that now.
You want some dumpling in
Rasta
there?
dumpling, a body night, you know.
I don't know about that part there, no. This
What
is,
you say?
you know where this one now?
Wait,
White rice. When you done.
I'll get taste fresh, same way.
Where, sir?
Fresh?
Get down with say.
Yes, fresh, same way.
Fresh
But
as
don't
that.
season.
No,
You know,
man.
I'm more on purpose.
Salt in there, man.
Let me taste it.
Taste in the yard.
Taste weak, man.
No, man. The dead no, man. That you no cook down yet, man. You not taste the salt? Ah, what?
Rasta,
Yeah,
let me
man.
taste it. Let me taste this thing.
Salt in
That's
there,
so
man.
much taste in it. Have to go to find out what I go on.
You can say one next pepper. I wash off the next pepper.
No, you don't want no more salt.
No, I'm not
Wow, pepper.
The salt,
The thing
alright.
tastes weak to me though.
No, sir. Mine are your unit
David.
16 that week, you know. So you come out with the unit 16 week for a man, so mine are that still weak. You need to get strong.
But I look, it's a sorry for you now this year.
You're lucky, said Cherry there, sorry for you today.
You know I'm going like.
Yes, one hype on
Yeah,
Rasta.
I don't know what we are talking about. Not one more things.
No, I'm not more than you.
Wow.
More than me.
You do what? Why?
I'm not more than that around me. Well, you have to go ask question. That's question to do. You have to go ask permission. At school you have to go.
But Rasta, may I tell you, see, by the time this forward down,
Yeah.
it will go nice, yeah. Anytime, if it forward down,
I'm talking ready, man. Don't worry yourself. See there?
Yeah.
You say you don't want the pepper in there, make sure you put the pepper in there, everything in there.
Coconut curry
Everything
soup.
green men's in there.
Yeah, we are smelling party now.
you're that's what
You
I
that
get
now,
now.
that'll be nothing, can't do nothing more now. Watch out, it's a two-time
Okay.
liquid.
Me on forward, me deliver a left.
Alright?
Go on.
You can't say it wrong now, it's good, man.
Come to come.
Can't.
Wait now.
You say smell something.
Me smell something.
But like what?
Smell good.
Like what?
I'm telling you, smell.
Yeah.
I smell the coconut.
Oh, they don't put that 3 days, so you must get smell them. Which one are they, green or the dry one?
Yo,
Are they put superpower? Which one does smell?
super
Oh,
power.
you just have to ask me now. You smelling the
It smell good.
superpower.
Yo, it smell.
So you
Good.
say you reach for one yet.
Last come, me just
Pass
saying,
that.
say, as long as me you come back on this channel,
Yeah.
or this link up,
Yeah.
never,
You have no superpower.
never you
Don't
can
worry yourself,
super-
make sure you have real
Brother.
coconut next week. 2 weeks.
Brother, never.
But hey, anytime we link you up, make sure it's safe.
After you hear a bird ring, you depend on the
Yeah,
wind.
what you say,
He
mama?
said never bring back no more superpower, yeah, so.
Who bring that? I know me.
Them me I tell say,
Them,
me
them
and
that
you,
them be.
me and
Hello,
Me
them
and
that
you
them
done
be.
all this.
you.
eh?
Yes.
Them that them be. Hold it down there, them what them be. Them be.
Both
Both
them.
them. You know what them be there?
Yo.
Clarendon. That down there, them be there. Them,
We are
them
talking
what
about
them
this.
be.
We are talking about this over and over.
One man can
and
superpower
over
come here.
again.
It's mad.
Listen me.
Never you bring
ma-
that
ask.
again.
Martel,
all
why? Why?
Why?
Martel, if
You
don't
bring the
want-
the power, the
Because,
superpower.
listen,
Because
That
no,
is
Give me a reason why you bring
hold on,
this.
no, me like evidence, no,
Yeah.
I'm going to Dalvitex, no.
no, no, put on your phone and go and tape meantime.
Brother, we don't talk about
No,
that.
she asked why, so I'm
Yes.
going to hear a chat.
Yeah, why?
Dalvit tell me, so she a bring, hold on, my
Coconut.
Alright.
Brother,
Me
brother,
there
right
for
there with you.
everything. Me there for everything.
Yeah, like, go zoom it. Ah. Hold on.
What she
It's
say?
a man,
See that? Okay. What that say? I wonder if you must see.
What
Me
tell
never
them?
read it out.
Okay, me I go bring coconut.
Oh, alright.
So what me say now?
Alright.
Me bring the
But she
coconut.
did bring the coconut.
So where is it?
It's in the
No,
car.
me talk
Me never
properly.
But
me ask you a
Where is the
question,
coconut?
It's in the car.
But
Well,
the
I
car
know.
not there,
I don't cut you.
So where's the car?
Well, I know. I
It's-
don't cut you.
Listen.
You cause the problem.
You know,
Nobody
some.
try
You
to
carry
take
a two
sense.
bush.
I know, some.
And I want the road if you drive with the
I
woman
know
coming
some
in
No,
the
Rasta
car.
go tomorrow, she get some footage.
You know I
of
know
the
footage
video.
on there, so I need. You come see and
never say
yourself.
something. Never say something. Be
Yeah.
honest to God, yeah?
Yeah.
We don't have to come down from that way.
We not come down.
But you know reason be why?
Yeah.
The Empress the one bring her right come over here and
I know me.
not to.
Him.
Alright, me ask you something. Dalvi, you never like the walking.
No.
Be
No, me
honest.
not, walking alright, you know. Me not have a problem with the walking, but me have to do to how we are do this thing, yeah. Me the think say we are gonna have a car nearby. You know, so when you have a
Everything in
car,
there. Can you have the thing in there?
yeah.
I mean, understand.
So when me there, so now.
You know that's going to
Wait,
take us
wait,
where you
wait,
are.
Watch out, no.
What else then I care more than coconut we need right now?
No, we have other stuff in there. We have the cover.
You see you? You see all you, Michael? You see all you?
Watch out, no. Me get all too chocho.
Why? Hey, look it up. We have all two chocho. You hear that?
Chocho,
You listen now.
why?
Why?
Nothing wrong with that. Come
No, 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 with the chocho.
You like the chocho?
Right now.
We love chocho.
To eat.
I mean, who will I eat it? No.
So hold on, when you cook it now, meat, you know.
Chayote.
You're going to eat the meat.
That's what I tell Shemara and Snatcher say. That's why they might get low score because they might eat chocho.
No, chocho, nothing wrong with chocho, brother.
No,
Chocho give good thing, good vitamin, man.
Why?
Yeah, man.
Yo.
I'll make a sex
I hear
organ
me.
bill up.
I hear you,
You know?
man.
Yeah.
Them chocha there.
Make a sex
You
organ
nah
bill up.
bring them home. They must stay here.
No,
So
I
use them up.
want to tell you, I am me get them though. You know, see I come through and me see a
Yeah,
boss.
forward,
Me
yeah, forward.
see a boss
No,
a
man,
come.
come here, come
Me see
here.
a boss a
True.
come and me see man have a bag with them and me say, give me 2 at church, you know.
Yeah.
Man just walk me bag and give me 2. But yeah, what man say when he give me?
Yeah.
The man say me no fi cookie give no man no.
That thing say?
That he tell me when he give me them
At
things.
time, what time Dalvin now? You see, anytime Dalvin eat them there, anyway man if she go find him.
We are say, now dash them there.
Yo, watch out now. The man say enough for man.
Yeah, that is.
You say never could
So
not
what-
be
Me
no
no
man.
watch no video.
So yeah, me I say,
Yeah.
you wanna give me a chocho.
Yeah, me have a
So if she
church
get
of
chocho, what you that do? You eat it?
I mean,
So what you give him for?
Why?
so what you give me for?
Eh? What you give him for?
Eat it.
What you give
So we show to the bitch shot out.
Yo, I chocho
Hold on there. I wish show to the thick shot out. Why want to go vine in
We mind that different. We are talking about
Yo, what the church up on the vine me a talk about, what you a
Alright.
talk about?
Church up and fine.
Yeah, that me a talk about.
Okay.
Yo,
Okay.
yo, what kind of church them good at? What you have a church up?
The channel
Oh, no.
listen me, the channel a PG-16. Keep it clean.
Yeah, but me I say we should have church
Yeah,
you
which
a talk
other
about.
church we have?
And we yeah, me a talk about
Why you
one
want to grow up on the vine?
Which one you a talk about?
Martel a talk
Me
about
need
now.
to know which one you a talk about.
Which one,
When
Martel?
say one heat, that me a talk about.
When they want to grow up on the vine, man,
And
a
the one
talk
by the
about.
vine, we have one green. And sometimes it come in a yellow, you know?
And sometimes it's white.
Allah you are tell.
Well, sometimes
Me say Allah you are tell this. So not church no come here, they come white and green.
Where you say church a come?
White and
And
green.
green.
no man, sometimes
White and green.
Wait,
Yo, me no bully your friend.
listen up, Dalvin.
Yeah.
With all we must say.
White and
You
green.
never see the church yet like it yellow outside it.
No.
Outside part yellow
No,
like
sir.
you know like over
You never
right.
see that yet.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yo,
Big
that
look
is
like.
your business.
So
man.
that say that will look like this. I come when that
No, right. No, you want to me have a yellow look.
Hold on, the church.
And you get to me and say,
Hold on, I'm zooming. Where you say happen to your church, Dalvin?
Yeah, that would.
Where you say have yellow look?
The two type of church,
Not
one
two
green
type
and
of
one
church,
yellowish and one whitish.
Yeah, yellow
So that achieve
white.
variety at church. Now go ask Cherry. Now go ask Cherry say what achieve variety at church.
Yeah, we just
Yo,
You can't be in Alaska.
What do you mean? Let me tell you.
Easy,
Rasta,
you know,
where
we
you
blame
say,
yourself.
where you say?
You can be 3 variety of church you have. You have the yellow. Eh? Alright, you hear where me get that from? So where you get yellow one from?
Listen me, Rasta.
Yo,
Listen me, man.
Miss
So
Cherry.
Natasha, which church color them have?
White and green you have?
Green and white.
No.
Alright, you hear? Hungry white and green. No doubt church you yellow.
Miss Cherry.
And that's why
She
yo,
said no
watch it.
church is
Hold on,
yellow.
Rasta, where you say?
No church is yellow. I don't know where Alaska
Watch
get
it.
that from.
You know,
Watch it,
yo,
watch it,
come
watch
on,
I
man.
get it green
Listen,
and
man.
white.
All right, listen.
Listen, man.
I'm listening.
That's why. That's
May I
why.
tell you, sir,
Yeah.
Rasta,
Not-
Mr. Chocha,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Remember you say green
Right.
and you say white.
Right.
Me I tell you, say when more while Rasta, you see the Chocha have that yellow look like that. You know,
Outside
like,
my skin.
yeah, this, oh, I skin me a talk.
That's
What
skin we are talk.
what you think me a
We
talk
think we
about?
are-
Yeah, man, pass. Which church you not talk about, though?
Better.
The church we grew up on the vine.
Vine, brother.
Actually, this what you ain't know about.
Which church you
Which
know
one you know
about?
Brother, the one from the vine me a talk about, brother.
Which one you
Yo,
know?
sometimes the skin yellow,
What you say,
brother.
Rasta?
Me say, voila, me ask you one question from the Martel TV.
Yeah.
Which one you know?
Alright, man, I'll leave that to your comment section.
No, in the comment section. You there on the comment section, and also you should know the right one to tell with.
And you should be the Africa now. Because you're the Africa.
Africa, you're there,
Hold on,
man.
y'all talk too much now.
Tell him when they're there. Africa is there.
You're the Africa.
And ask about church.
And I about church.
And I write church out there. Yeah, and I find
You're not for
church.
the Africa.
How am I for that?
No, man,
Egypt.
you're for there somewhere.
If it's Egypt.
You're for there in Jerusalem.
No man, not even Jerusalem. You know it's fine for that? You know it's fine for that? In for that, the place named Asia.
Hold on, what is that? Let me get close up.
Asia.
Mama tell you for that Asia. you want to hear again? The definition?
Yeah.
You for that Asia. You shouldn't be in Africa. You shouldn't be in Africa.
Yeah.
But are different things still. You should be Africa.
Why?
You can't have so much why for Africa. Everything we have to put filter for our mouth, brother.
I just that touch doing now. Yeah,
No,
touch it.
that hot.
Oh,
Bias man.
Carrot down in that.
yeah, man.
Eh?
Everything. is
Rasta
Where
bias man.
Where said that?
there. Carrot.
Yeah,
Carrot.
Alright.
No, girl, we say carrot. Don't in that. Hear that? Hear what Dalvin say? Carrot dung in that? You know that scared. Someone don't whisper the carrot to God if you don't dung in that.
Come back with it. Is it my mom?
Now you need to make a view again, man.
No, I want to spin up. Because you not see
You want
carrot
to
in
spin up. And you spin up and then spin it with a cook. What is Dalvin talk
Spin it
about,
up,
man?
Rasta. Stir it up.
There?
Oh, yeah. Me just see them now.
You just see them now?
Yeah.
Everything in there. You see it?
Oh.
And the smell is there. See?
Yeah,
You can cook
smell
right
nothing
down.
still.
You know smell nothing?
You can say breadfruit make you covered, right?
I like that.
So when we eat this today,
We can't cover that braver.
Uh,
More brave this way I get to mash up this channel. One Martel TV up and running. Prescribe.
yeah. One Dalvin, though.
One Dalvy. I'm the sister. What's your name, man? You can't remember your name, you know?
Cause she not talk. She
Natasha.
not remember my name. She not
Natasha.
talk.
Natasha,
Yeah.
you have to go write your name for me, what? My chest.
Yeah.
That's we can remember it and digest.
Yeah.
All right.
And Dalvin have to go get some bravery
Your
soap.
name
And that we have to get some bravery.
across my heart.
I want to write my name
I
across
want
your
to
heart.
know the world to know. Oh, yeah.
You want the world to know? Okay. No problem. Right away on the Martel TV. Subscribe up and running. See it there? Let me show you now. Curry, see it there? And no curry goat today now. Curry chicken. Make you no see it.
You
If
don't
I the
steam
curry
fish.
goat,
Rasta, so why you hear me I say? Why you never escovitch down your fish?
we don't want to escort fish.
You
Then
say,
the fish, then the
Rasta,
fish can
you know why me don't want escovitch the
No,
fish?
hear me now.
You hear me I say? You know
Me
why
hear
me
you.
why me don't do that?
Yeah.
So them say fish, fair of pepper. Any fish you don't have pepper, you don't have to eat it.
What pepper in that?
No, I know still.
Pepper in any.
I serious I got judge man.
Pepper in all of them.
That me can't go, me not go
Yo.
consume it.
Them the type of fish there.
Yeah. Swim away.
I swim away there after steam down. Them don't have to scrub it. You scrub it big fish.
But you agree with what I said, though?
You have to scrub it
Me
down.
I talk about the pepper pan them.
Then the pepper in the pan the
If
box.
the pepper in the pan, did I eat it?
Same way.
You're mad, why?
Yeah. I want to tell you. Then you know eat no fish with down the pepper.
You're mad?
But I swim away fish me I talk about.
Oh.
Me don't know which fish you exist in the business. Don't do that, bro. Don't do that, bro. Don't you do that, bro. Yeah, swim away we talking about.
Swim away, we're talking about.
In Africa. Swim away we talking about in Africa. I don't know where you get your vision from.
Wanna stop mix up things with the things that people eat, bro.
I don't know
Brother,
what
from
they
a fish
talk
we are cook fish and nothing else.
That is it.
Swim away we cook.
Yeah, Rasta I tell you.
They call
Ah,
it
they
swim
don't
away.
have five
I
foolishness.
see
No
him.
man. The man never catch fish, you call him.
No fisherman.
The man never catch fish.
Swim away, man.
Catcher.
I'm a catcher.
Yeah, can I catch something?
I'm joking, a fisherman. He's a fisherman Darcy. Oh, he's a catcher. When catch? Where my catch?
Swim away.
He ain't a fishing cat. Anyway, taking going to sea go though. He still have to catch fish.
Swim away.
If you swim away from him, he cannot goal him. Gone. Tell
Natasha.
him, Dalvey.
Stop giving me the zoom up something up on
Yeah.
camera.
Tell him say if him go see if he go catch fish, you see. He have to catch fish, not swim away. If he goes off and swim away, if he goes off and swim, he never hold him.
Because it's going
going
away
away from
It's
you.
gonna swim away.
You have to catch you one way you can catch name fish.
Believe me, that's the base for my culture run now.
Yeah.
You have to teach them right from wrong.
They
You
don't swim.
can't
Teach them
use
what-
fish.
See a fish
But
their
it's
name.
fish.
A fish them name.
The culture need
Fish.
Eh?
Fish, the culture.
Why
need
one
fish.
them way down that bridge?
No, me not have the bridge fish. That is fish.
We don't have a fish argument. Because no matter what we do,
A fish.
Martel,
A
let's
fish.
step and swim away. I mean,
So I'm swim away. Dalvey, I swim away.
brother,
Oh,
you see swim away in our dictionary?
You not learn. You not learn.
Search it.
Learn.
Google it. Put Google it now, Dalvin and Shem. No swim
You know
away.
say, I'm fix up good.
Yeah, fix up good. Say them fix up good all the while.
You know, you know, say this is a problem now.
Yeah.
Because here is what go on now. You know, say me a scroll over TikTok one day, and me see a teacher say a thing, and the teacher say, the students them no know how to describe things right now. Because she has
dear.
say like people commenting and stuff, and they must say like, what kind of SYM boy that?
Yeah, what that mean? What that mean?
We know
we
whether
know it.
we
Yeah,
know
so when you save your money, how will you have it as?
we know say I not save your money.
No, that me have it as.
No.
Remember my
No.
mind clean, you know, Dalvin.
Yes,
Where
yes,
your mind
yes,
gone?
yes. No.
What it mean for you?
Don't stray from the point that me are trying to make. Don't try stray.
Sit down or stand up good. Don't
Why?
strip. Because what me saying now is that because we know I come with this. I have no problem with something there, you know.
With short and writing, but.
No, me not no problem with culture where and what they want to say. But this thing, you know, remember saying, no, we get so influential upon the media and the youths them now connected so much to the media now that a lot of things are putting out there now. It's an impact. That's why I come back around to say now that me see what the teacher say and thing, and we know what the SYM thing mean.
Exactly.
What it mean?
Me not,
Save your money it mean for me.
No.
What it mean for you?
You don't have to say that on the channel.
Martel, don't no bother pressure me for go there. Just
What it mean for you?
stop change the point.
Me not change the point. Me I talk what the SYM mean for me.
Watch out now. You see you? You look like you.
No, me and me. You are you.
Wala no man. As much
No,
as
can't
watch
help on the
out
man.
Wala.
Why?
You see? It not give me a chance to bring my point across.
Alright, speak.
And that's why, you know, even though me not no pick me or not like that, and thing, you look like you would really be a good father.
Zoom up close and repeat that again.
Because me a try to teach you them something.
Still looking at my camera. No one run, man.
Because me a try to bring the right point across to the youth them. Because remember, say, regardless of we are joke and things, still now we still have to put fun and joke aside.
And teach youth them the right.
And teach youth them the right
Exactly.
thing, you understand me? We might tell you, say, SYM rare.
What it mean?
Brethren, just, yo,
Calm
just
yourself.
cut the video, yeah?
No.
Cut it right there,
me
because
still got like right there.
pressure me.
More you talk what it mean, because remember enough people still don't know what it mean. And me give my enough people don't know, and enough people still don't know Rasta.
Well, we don't want to tell them.
Well, watch out now.
We don't have to tell them.
We don't have to tell them, but here we go.
Let them Google it up and go find it for themselves. Easy.
That's the point.
Right.
Yes, right. And that me just that go say. Don't you know, don't write it.
Yeah, if you don't, I want to hear your meaning
She
before me
don't
cut
tell
my
you
tongue.
your meaning already.
The meaning me that go say.
Because my meaning is save your money. So what is your meaning?
Yo, you just go out there, man.
Rasta, what
Just
is
go
the
out.
meaning?
What is the meaning?
Yeah.
Go and Google it up and see what it means. I don't respond to that type of word in our Martel TV channel. You go and Google and see what it means, and then you can know and subscribe and tell you what's going on.
I agree with you. Yeah, man, because
You're
that's
We agree
what
with what I'm saying.
Yes.
Go
Yes.
on the Google
That's what I mean.
and see what it means, and then you subscribe, and then you can send it all around to the teachers and say, teacher, that is what it means, and it is not right. Okay.
It's not right.
Right.
So cut it right. That's
Cut
what
it
we
right
do.
there. Go look now. I'm ready to do everything in there. See there? Bike.
So this is Rasta's workshop.
See bike they park up the same way.
Wow.
Now if you take the bike in there, let them do all them furniture, right? Do any furniture.
Okay.
No, me not do them thing because them thing like full of dust. And the people don't want to pay the money, I'm going to spend me my money buying material.
So it's a Rasta. Yeah,
I
pack up
sell
your
back
buckle them for the
Yeah, well, I
So that's every Christmas?
No, it's Christmas. Next month, my birthday.
Yeah, right,
Give me
yeah.
them next month.
Too much great man already.
Give me
When you
them.
born again? When you born again?
I'm a June man.
I said next month.
He's a June man and he's a July.
So one I want to truthful and one I want to
So he's
lie.
a serious man more than him.
July born?
Yeah.
One I want to truthful and one I want to lie.
July born,
August born 24.
Me? Me are the 5th of July.
So,
So hold on there. June, July, August. Me Rasta,
a
John.
tree event.
I alone
To the far. He's in the far
I
off.
alone no
You
matching.
see that?
I alone no
And
matching.
December. My wife there, December.
Oh,
No,
so
November, auntie.
At least you don't get a little chance.
November.
But Rasta don't know when he wife.
December, Mr. Cherry.
Oh,
Me tell you, sir, December. Yeah, me tell you, sir, December.
Me think you don't know.
Who you bright?
Right now, Cherry, that put you out.
Put long time.
Right out, Miss Cherry.
Yeah, man, but August the thing is still, you know? Me born August. Okay.
They say Miss Cherry, good people them. Good people them.
My mother born July. So, you know my girl? My mother born July. My Squidly born July too, you know.
Yeah, my mother born July.
I feel my mother July just like me, you know. That's how we roll, so, you know. July people just straight up, in a grown corner.
Straight up and thin skin.
Thin skin now.
Yes,
Anything me have on my mind like me tell them, me not grown no
You
corner.
can't tell me
No,
nothing.
no, for that
Me no
thing.
thin skin.
Move yourself. My brother born July 7th. Thin skin.
Go down for that.
Tell me thin
No.
skin
Say
like
brother
how.
born July 7th.
Yeah, man.
If a
Thin
brother
skin like
born-
how. Tell me now.
Thin skin.
Like how.
And then touch your ball.
Ball like how.
Me don't know.
Beat you. And then touch your ball. Ah.
Come here, Michael.
You can't know when me come in and look bamboo.
Where you from? Africa.
You not gone over, sir?
Great Africa.
Africa with this.
Right there, sir.
I hear me. You know we don't know a catch. 2 fruit a pound.
2 coward fruit.
2 fruit a pound.
Fruit a hoe? Yeah, pit out that. Where you say?
See there? 2 fruit a pound as known as the
Fruit a
bread.
hoe, Rasta?
Breadfruit.
No, the fruit, what name?
Fruit a pound we call it.
First made a name.
Yeah, so we call breadfruit. Fruit a pound.
Are you me here? I call that name there.
see that, the
You
man
know
they
it
call-
has breadfruit and
We call it
brush.
fruit a pound. The man they say a coward food, but this can't make you coward.
Come in.
Come in. See there? All breadfruit to make you coward.
Yeah.
Which part I...
No, maybe I true from slavery days.
I thought me no nothing but no slavery because no man can slave me. No time at all. Me work to me limit and stop. You
No
can't
more.
force me. No, sir. No man can never with me no whip. When I lick me. Whenever I try that, I last at him. Remember me tell him that. Let me say Dalvi. See
I
there?
hear you,
You
man.
must be mad. You can't work a man have over here with lash, with whip, white man. And you do your
Come in
work.
with the curry go.
Let me see straight. Yeah, yes, I'm cut that one, then I go the whole of one. That's the way I said, I bust one over there. I get that one there.
Yeah, man.
Phoenix flag over there.
You cook the goat.
We don't can't cook more than one thing, man.
See me now? And me I cook the goat from the flat. Country, where you do a Portland, and me I cook the goat, Martel do the rest of thing them. Me
Yeah.
going to deal with the goat.
Tell you what me that one the Rasta.
Yeah.
Ever said that video some pumpkin dumpling or anything there?
A great height and anything there,
Yeah,
like what we
that
do.
one do.
I want to take pumpkin
Alright,
dumpling.
That's
and-
your one.
Yeah, pumpkin dumpling with the
Alright,
carrot.
nothing wrong with that.
The carrot
I see
in it.
them a give some nice grade over there. I say, yes, the food are nice. Me want grade you.
Alright, no
See if
problem.
this really
Alright,
nice.
Dalvi, Martel, one channel TV, up and running, Rasta go open the chicken pattern now, we curry down with the superpower thing, Peter. Right down to where for there.
Watch out, man. Get a close up.
Close up, Dalvi. Come in night, Dalvi.
Me see flavors pan this.
You see flavors pan it? And you see bubbling pan it?
No, why?
You see bubbling pan it,
No,
but you
no,
not see no
can't
trouble.
bubble pan,
See
no
that a
pan.
bubble,
Dalvi.
pat a bubble,
Dalvi.
But a bubble.
Look at me
pat a
camera.
bubble.
Hey,
No,
where is it?
can't bubble pan where you go eat.
Yeah, pat.
Look at me,
Brother.
look at me camera.
Yes, cause it's a bubble
See
now.
that a bubble now, and you not seek no trouble.
Nah,
good
see,
still.
no trouble.
This no seek trouble, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, lift
Straight
him up,
bubble.
lift him up, boy.
Alright, straight
Dalvi,
bubble
I'll
at
be
this.
honest now, but everything
Can't be
good.
honest, man.
Everything
I
good.
just want me to say what you say.
That's in why you feel say.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come in. Rascal, let me see you. Sit there. Now lift
What,
it.
smell good?
Oh, tell her sit there.
Yes, I smell good.
Pat ready. Up and running.
Running. See, yeah,
See,
still
Rasta.
a bubble.
Lift it here.
Rasta start out the thing. We just warm up back the fish pan the fire.
Why?
It's
Swim
fish
away,
we
swim
dealing
away.
with.
Come back with this
Swim
thing.
away.
Hey, see,
You know, sir,
look at the
Dalvi.
pan.
Big
Right.
man thing. When I give you your interview now, big man thing. This is the last day I go teach you know the real thing. Certain words can't say. In this culture over there.
And the culture that we have is fish it name. No swim away.
me
Because
not-
if he swim from you, you can't get him back.
Me
Because you
not-
hold a fish in your hand.
Yeah, boss said,
And he
I
swim
don't
out of
see
your
you
hand.
going or coming.
Oh, you won't get him.
He's
I don't
gone.
see you going or coming. Come,
Alright.
peel the brush.
Forward in. Bad.
Yeah, man, you plate them on, you plate them on some.
Yeah, me have some.
Martel mine a run
British.
left him.
Forward now, bad
Martel
man.
mine a run left him.
I work for them now, man.
When I wash in care and I do like Africa, brother.
But you know, me never forget it still. And me left the Lock off that now, man.
What you mean lock
Lock
off
off that
that?
out of me, man.
What?
I mean
Confession.
left the fat.
Confession is good
So
for
they
the
say,
soul.
"I wash me, I wash out
So
all the
you're the
things."
fi-
So
you
you
want
leave
me
the
to do
fork.
that?
You leave the
style.
forks. What?
Eh?
What?
Chopstick style.
So we're supposed to eat
I
where
mean,
hands?
eat. If you want
Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with
it's supposed to finger licking good. Why? Pine licking still. But It's supposed to good. Yo, move the camera, killer.
I talk
It's
about
supposed to
moving
good.
camera, I'm pure.
She a give me too much close up, that's
Brother,
man.
just relax when you have up camera in our face. Yes, so you notice I'm relax. I do when it can come up too much for me, me ease back.
Man. Ease off, man.
Alright.
What does it say? Yeah, this one chopstick style too, you know?
Alright.
We can't use chopstick, you know.
I supposed to finger. Can't say tasting.
I couldn't listen, I
You see,
couldn't fast,
uno corrupt. Me can't say tasting or
Yeah,
licking.
all the corpse, Madia. Yeah, here.
Rasta, the dish towel.
Left out of here.
Listen me now, the dish towel where I tell you say we left over here.
You know left
You
over
see
here.
it in my transport bag.
Them don't tell
Say
it.
it right, so me owe you apology and all that.
Right.
So apologize to the man.
Me sorry for saying are you thief at the
The
dish
man
towel.
say me thief back in this show like woman
Me see it and me heard this morning.
That good for your soul.
The apology they're not good, Rasta. Make you
Maybe you're not
apologize
good.
again.
None of them no good.
Say I am sorry.
I'm sure say me not take back then on this store. Me tell say my youth you have it in your bag and you put it. Me say
Rasta, your peel is like a orange. You Rasta? Your peel is like a orange, man.
me say if you go some my time. That's why I want the dish towel and now. If you hold the breadfruit, tell Trevor.
So where you hold now? Here?
You don't want to touch it with me hand after me eat that so.
Just turn it upside down after you're done that side there, though.
Upside down.
Yeah.
I'll show you the style.
Yeah, good.
So based upon what's happening, Michael,
Yeah.
what say you?
About what?
The breadfruit, the curry chicken, the fish, when it's all done, do you think it's going to be a 10 out of 10 for Rasta?
As me say already, you know.
And say it again?
I'm going to say it again, you know.
Right,
You see, if it's up to my standard,
right.
him get him 10 out of 10, but if it's not,
Dog name him supper?
So what is your standard?
somebody have to come down.
What's your standard though?
That's my standard.
Yes.
Food for nice. And food for look after, proper.
Right.
Yeah, man. Because food me deal, you know. Me not deal with nothing else. Food. Food.
So Michael, I know you don't support my restaurant then. The food are nice there.
Your restaurant?
Yeah.
You know, the sometimes me come to your restaurant, and one thing I order do.
What?
And basically, when I come here, always I sell me out.
What do you mean sell you out?
Because me tell you, say, this me want. And when I come, sometimes I get it, sometimes I don't. You force me to take something else.
So where you get the nice then?
Me never say that. Me I tell you,
Repeat that word. We'll get a close up. You never did that?
I did not say that.
What you're saying, Michael, you put your tongue between your teeth and say that.
That's what I said.
Right.
So look. When every time I come there, me think you know me I come about. So just put on my one aside. That's so. Yes,
line up and up.
love it.
Eat there.
Yeah, what go on Rasta?
Do this. You want a banana leaf?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, me none of them people you use.
But me think say I go pick up your breadfruit. Alright, so right now you can pray, Rasta.
Pray?
Yeah.
Are you for prayer?
What do you talk about me for pray?
Yeah, man. We have
You hear me I pray for them, my dear.
Yeah. I give thanks and praise unto the Most High for the food that we deal with now today. You see it. So, Father God, a more blessing for each and every one of us today. So, give praises.
That is it.
That is it.
Yeah, me are there right through like Chucky. Zero, start from zero.
Oh, that piece of butter, you see it? Look this, sir. You need to
Yeah,
cook
that
that.
piece of butter.
I will then get that breadfruit. Oh, then say I do it here, I come there.
My pot go on Dalvin, they look good.
Alvi, remember me can eat more than 2 pieces of little breadfruit still.
You don't know which one I'm doing. I
But
want
back to you now, Dalvi.
You do.
Them big chunk of breadfruit, I can't mind so much. You have to cut my thin or 2 pieces.
Brother, if you want that, me share first.
But me I tell you, say,
Yo,
more of my one
that
thing.
good over food.
More of my one thing, because I can't eat enough need wife and eat.
Brother,
Can't consume much.
brother. I will leave a gravy there so if you eat something.
Me cannot, Dalvi, me can't manage enough food.
Unit 16 week.
Yeah, the unit system week. That sound like fiddly. Connie.
I call on road for the pot. I call on road for the pot, you know.
You know, reach back.
I two breadfruit them this.
Yeah.
Look, sir.
Oh, it's okay.
Like nothing.
Take a one breadfruit. Right now, that's the curry chicken.
I said that is looking good.
It's looking super good.
Yes, it just look good.
I'm not tasting it. No,
You know, see, I'm going to get all covered. Oh, you tear your breadfruit make it covered, so, man.
Only if I'm out there today, you know, so you don't know anything. Go. I have to share with caution.
So that means then that's all you come out there, right?
Yeah.
What Pops plate then?
That means when you hear my score with low, another 3 is my give my low grade. It's correct then.
You know, so I'm not focus on the great thing we are talking. I just try to focus on make sure everybody eat. Yeah.
So Pops food there?
That I focus right now.
Who name Pops?
The Rasta.
Popsy? Popsy got Popsy no. Popsy alright, you know. Rum on, you know.
Don't worry about people who are gone. Worry about who they are now.
Yeah, people touch her. Well, pretty.
Me tell lie, not drink.
You want pray?
No, man. Simple, anybody can do it.
Yeah, anybody can do it, but we just ask if I volunteer.
So, let's go.
Go
You going to do it?
The silver guy not do it.
You going to do it?
No, I don't want to do it.
Michael,
You don't want to do it?
Please.
No, me not. Me will do it, but me just ask.
We need a solid
You
prayer.
want one, huh?
Listen me now. We need a solid prayer from the wall.
All right.
The wall.
Alright, here we go.
Alright, well, I'm coming. I want to cover up this one now.
Alright. Let me just. What kind of go Rasta go?
Let's do it for me now.
He said me I go save him.
Yeah.
I'm here to take you out now. Oh, you can't come up before we
Yeah, man, we can't make no fly going out, so.
Oh, when we hide in shed.
Yeah.
No, me I say we have a lime key, go have a cookout, Martel style. What is the problem?
See there now?
Alright. Rasta, cover up the food. Alright, so. Alright.
Alright.
Real thing where I use when I do.
Alright, reverence now.
Alright, reverence there. Alright. So, as we gather here today, more try such an eternal Father in heaven. We give thanks for life. We give thanks for health. We give thanks for strength. So as we come to you today as sinners, we ask for forgiveness of our sins. We ask that you forgive us. Forgive those who trespasses against us. We ask that you bless this food. Let this food be of nourishment to our body. And bless all who are gathered here again for me, please. Bless this food again in your precious name, Jesus Christ. I pray, amen.
Amen.
And the one channel.
Jesus. Alright.
So also me a sinner.
Straight.
What you mean you're not a sinner?
Good,
See there. We are all sinners under the sun. Alright.
All have sinned and come short of the glory of
God.
God.
Why you never pray?
You never work about that.
If I laugh today, I drop.
Where's the park?
Then say, take anyone you want, man.
Anyone, Amma.
Yeah, anyone you
We
want.
have a couple of park.
But Nelka.
Yeah, that the man say a sticker do it today.
Nelka. Wow, you're great how much I give Rasta, you know.
Which Rasta, that one?
Yeah, come in, enough you eat meat and you cook so much meat.
You don't want none of them too. I can't deal with it.
Who not bring no fork?
Who not bring no fork? Ask the boss.
Give Natasha one fish.
No, Natasha wants it.
Why? That one
Tell you say, might as well you just understand the thing
How
different.
you go?
Just stop the why business.
Can't get candy
Oh, you take care. Alright.
They like fish, you know.
Popsy wants to come and place.
Where pimento tree where they are so now?
Pimento in our left?
No, we don't say stick business.
Stick business.
So we don't want a solid stick.
You put up a fix that already.
And then any stick you can't use, you know.
You know,
Yeah, you might go, you know, not really full on the stick. But...
Yes, sir, I go eat fish.
Yeah, man, me I go eat fish.
I just want to know.
Yeah, this is a fish.
I'll give you no fish head.
Why? You like the foolishness.
Where just do?
Yo, why sit and beat my food there?
Rasta, where you
Kill
say
them
that?
some fat. No,
Where's that?
Alright, we are get to fuck. Let's say go on. Come on, my food.
Today,
Yeah.
based upon this, when I eat right now.
Yeah. Don't take too long.
It's the breadfruit,
Yeah.
go.
Alright.
It's the fish. I tell them I don't know what's going on with the fish, but what I know? The fish mash out, man.
Yeah, me,
Yes, sir?
I know me.
no, I
You see
couldn't
the
remember.
fish?
See, me say if you come off, you
The
know.
fish mash out.
Let me see. No, you don't have to say so. It's not bad. It's doing bad.
Yeah, but normally
You see you now? That's why I know say in life I mean give the true review there, you know. The fish go
I'll check in for the general them quick and pop before them do.
Talk to this gentleman first.
Alright, let's see.
Curry get 8 out of 10.
Okay.
Yeah, 8 out of 10 for curry, but
So where the next two go?
eh?
Where you take off 5?
On your breadfruit.
Eh?
On your breadfruit. The next two go on your breadfruit.
Oh, so 2 you give breadfruit?
Yeah.
Why you give breadfruit 2?
White heart.
Oh, yeah. I chew that.
White
I agree with you.
who cook the fish?
Who cook the fish? I Rasta cook everything, man.
Oh, Rasta cook
One
everything.
dodo.
Alright, I'm good. You talk go on. The fish could a little better, but me I go on.
Okay.
What's the square out of 10? No, you score 1.5, man, to be honest.
Okay. And where you say go on for the curry chicken?
The curry chicken alright, although I'm not a fork, so we have to go Rasta. And then so the other half, we catch it 8 good, not give me no fork.
Alright. Big up
Alright?
yourself,
Yes,
yeah,
man, no problem. Nice, man.
Alright.
Alright.
Where you say go on?
The superpower, yeah.
Yeah.
Bad.
You love superpower.
No, sir.
You love superpower, man.
My superpower, eh? Knocker, 3.
So make you never pick when make you get. No one excuse, man. No do that,
I you
man.
don't pick your no school because you left your Nike.
Alright.
Where's the last one?
Active, man, you know?
So Dalvin, where say I go and feed food?
Pepper, curry pepper.
Tastes good. Are the pepper on point?
Pepper and point, man, on it.
The chicken, how much you give chicken?
Well, to be honest, still. To be honest, still for chicken. I give chicken one nice 8 out of 10.
How much?
8.
Yeah, eating food.
A nice 8.
Yeah,
what I
eat
eat?
Yeah, eat the rest of them.
No, I'm not eat rasta.
So I go and feed breadfruit.
Breadfruit, you can go on, but the only thing is that I know you're hard. But we are work with it still.
So talk to me about the fish now.
The fish?
Yeah.
Swim away, please.
I'm checking for you.
That's it. You can't eat food and you look so ignorant. The food not nice. Can I tell you?
Yo, actually camera in the bar me. Wake up, Dalby, wait a wake up.
Wake up.
Yeah.
Fish.
Yeah.
So
fish-
how much of that in?
So that fish is out. Oh, why?
Yo, may I give fish a 5 still. I give it a 5.
Yeah, Rasta. Oh, you know the name, eh?
Still, dude.
Yeah.
Why?
That was your idiot.
Mercy!
Yeah.
Yo. You go on.
Yeah.
You go on, man.
Yeah.
Go and go where?
Go on.
I really feel like give
Yo, no just go on, no brother, man.
Yes, Dalby.
Mercy!
So, where's
Subscribe and like and share and comment. Oh.
Yeah, man, subscribe to Martel Adventure TV. What go on, Dalby? You don't know we out here do it, you know?
What? Yeah. One more link up for going. Oh.
Yeah, man, definitely.
One day we have a bingo, right?
Yeah. You know
One
what
heap of
it is?
That is
different
it.
styles. Some. Oh, yeah, go. On the key, them said, oh.
Mm. That's our next adventure.
No, we are link up Dalby first over Portland.
And then there's
We're
up.
both land. Yeah, then we go up on the key.
Not bad.
We do some curry.
That will waste a 5? Just so
don't
5?
know.
Guys, we are cut.
Murder!
don't pressure me now.
Why?
You know, I laugh because no, not just like your vibe, not just like what we expect, you know.
Let me add it, you know.
But you are going. You should have some okra and thing, you know. That's why I make it more sweeter.
Oh, okay. Not bad.
So.
Rasta you then square and drop your fast.
Later, yeah, move. You hungry?
Alright.
Alright, your food.
Later, guys.
Man, tell no rep. It's a tape.
Yeah, man, it's a tape, man.
So, Dalvi, you just give Rasta 5. Why your mouth greasy so? It's nice. Taste. Hear about taste. Why? Consume this now. Curry, salt. Chicken nice one.
I said chicken nice. Yeah, man, chicken nice.
Yeah,
chicken
nice.
go on.
But Dalvi, you want 5 for swim away this, alright? Me can't get that because I don't eat fish. Right?
Yeah.
But, yeah, the chicken, pepper, right? It tastes flavors though. So Rasta, I give him a 9 for this today. Because it should have more. Look at it small. Dalvi share still, but it's small. But I give him a 9 today. Flavors are gone.
Say you would expect say with 2 breadfruit with so much people like.
I want to tell you say you know, I did for buy more breadfruit and Fiddly tell me say no buy no more because this can feed the crowd. But I look at it today now. Him not there here.
And
So I may get the backlash. Yeah, watch it. I may get the backlash for all of this I know. But it'll go on still. But for the next link up, I catch you over Delphi place again though. Some curry goat, oh Delphi? And some command fowl. Yet, as I say command fowl, you know say I have a family that give me 2 command fowl, so I bring them to Portland. So Rasta tell me last time say command fowl, you need nail in it. So we walk it 2 nails to put in it. Yeah, when Delphi I deal with it.
Yeah. Alright.
That's a bad.
I found fat up on your table, boy.
Yeah.
Juice in your glass, boy.
Yeah.
Oh, the hell rod up on your teeth.
What the
Oh, your tail.
Hold on, pause the tune and come again. Pause the tune and come again.
Oh, the ear of the pan your teeth. And a food the pan table, boy. Tell them.
One again, sweetie.
Go on, come down, squeeze your boy, so we need everything.
Food in your pot, boy.
Boy.
Yeah.
I found fat up on your table, boy.
Yeah.
Oh, the hell you rod up on your teeth.
Boy.
Oh, you tell
Yes,
Rasta
sir.
say you never eat. Oh, you tell Pretty Mike
Say you never eat, boy.
Oh, you girl come a road, come lick.
Yeah.
Tired of it, that's why she come lick. It's a full by your table, boy.
Yeah.
Boom.
Check it.
Them there, Joe. Never Joe, straight your man.
Let's go on now, Pops.
Yeah, man. Curry ball. Rasta man, 10 out of 10. And the breadfruit, yo, nice. Nice, no?
Nice.
What?
That is it.
Yeah, man. Thumbs up, man.
Yeah.
Real mama, man.
Yeah. That is it.
They don't know that.
Just want to say big up to all the viewers and the subscribers to watch. Are that way there?
Yeah, man.
Oh, big up all the viewers, the subscribers, you know. You make it to the end of the video, just want to say big up. You don't know. Rasta there.
Straight love, sir.
Yeah, that
Up
is
and
it.
running
So.
to Pastor TV.
Yeah,
Straight.
so. Catch you guys on another adventure.
Another adventure. Straight to
So we are going
Portland.
to last cup here.
Straight to Portland. A view the place, and view the land, and see the car them night place, and see it right to up and running. Straight. Up there, right?
That's me, I tell you right now, man.
Yeah. You know,
Come
go
in.
like
Come here now, come in again.
Yeah, man, I want to go, man.
One, come on.
Yeah, man.
Yo, say
Come
that
in,
the-
I care.
the- sit there, fight up, I care.
Nah, I thought that.
Come on, darling. Come on, my darling.
Thank you.
Good time, my honey boy.
See?
Darling.
Watch your liquor. Yeah.